Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Unboxing It. Now today I'm going to be saying if you should buy the Samsung Galaxy S10. Now a few days ago on February 12th is when Samsung officially released or announced their brand new smartphones and flagships of 2019. Now Samsung released the S10e, S10, S10 Plus, and S10 5G. Now every phone I just mentioned has the special signature Samsung look known as the hole punch display. Now, to be honest, there's really no advantage with the hole punch display compared to the notch that iPhones and other companies have. The main difference is just to say we didn't have a notch, because if Samsung implemented a notch in their phones, that would be kind of awkward because they have been poking so much fun at Apple for having the notch in their phones. The cool thing about this display is that according to Samsung, it happens to be the world's most color accurate display in a smartphone, which that doesn't surprise me because Samsung has literally been known for always having some of the best displays on the market in phones. The next thing is that all of the phones have an under display fingerprint reader. Now, the special thing about this fingerprint reader compared to other fingerprint readers under the display we have seen is that it's an ultrasonic fingerprint reader. It sends an ultrasonic wave at your fingerprint and it will, detect if that's the correct fingerprint or not. Now the Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus both have triple lens cameras. Now this is to, of course, add some better quality photos. Now the first sensor is a wide 12 megapixel camera. So it's just your standard lens that will get a good amount of stuff in the frame. The second lens is a 12 megapixel telephoto lens, and the advantage to having a telephoto lens is when you're taking a picture and you zoom in, that's gonna help add the image to be a little bit crisper. The third camera out of those three would be an ultra wide 16 megapixel lens. So basically what this is to get a lot more into your pictures. So if you happen to take, maybe a picture of a landscape or something, like their demonstration, they made it seem like it was from like a DSLR or something like that. In reality, it was from Samsung Galaxy S10. Now the absolutely insane thing with these phones is that you can have a max up to 1 terabyte of storage, which just let that sink in a little bit. That is computer level, but it's even more crazy because if you thought that was a lot, you can use the SD card slot on the phone itself and have extra storage with that. So most you can possibly have on the phone is a total of 1.5 terabytes of storage. Now one thing I do think is actually really cool with the S10 is that you can actually use the wireless charging feature and reverse it, so it becomes basically a wireless charging pad. So you can take your phone and you can get anything that's wirelessly charged. You can place it on there and it'll start charging. You can even charge your friend's phone, even if it's not even a Samsung device. It'll charge it as long as it uses Qi charging. Now let's talk about pricing. So the first one is the Galaxy S10e. That is Samsung's budget model. It's mainly competing with the iPhone XR, which they both start at the same price, being $750. The next phone is the Galaxy S10, which starts at $900, and then the S10 Plus starts at $1,000. Now let me just say right off the bat, if you have maybe a Galaxy S9 or S8 or something on the newer side, I'm just gonna say not upgrade to one of these newer phones. It's not, a significant upgrade. Yes, there are some different features that separate the two, but again, there's not a serious significant feature. Setting that aside, if you don't happen to have a newer phone, then I would say it's actually definitely a good buy, because it's going to be a huge upgrade compared to the phone you have, because there's a ton of new features. There's the under display fingerprint reader, there's the 4100 milliamp battery, it's got a triple lens camera system which is going to offer really amazing photos, it's got wireless charging, and generally speaking, it's got a ton of awesome things about the phone. So with that said, thank you for watching. Make sure to comment, share, and subscribe below if you have not already. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.